Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream today. Here is Heidi from SPRSUN, and it's so exciting that we could have the chance to introduce our new products for you today with my colleague, Howie.
Hello, my name is Howie. So today we will introduce our new product. The first is our R290 domestic hot water heat pump. Another one is our R290 commercial heat pump. Today we will share with you about their highlights and their unique selling point. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. So here you can see that we are in the showroom of our SPRSUN, which is located in Guangzhou. So now let's invite my colleague Howie to make a brief introduction of our company SPRSUN. Okay.
Thank you, Eddie.
Yeah, just seconds.
So before we introduce our new product, I hope our customer can know more of the details of our SPRSUN, because I know so many customers, they don't know our SPRSUN before. I hope we can use this chance to let you know more the details of our SPRSUN. Okay, so for our SPRSUN, our goal is to create a reliable, efficient, comfortable, and more safe energy solution for each customer. Our SPRSUN is founded from the 1999, so we have a 25-year history of the heat pump business. Here, you can see some data here. Our partner is over 560 partners in the overseas market, and our product is selling about 60 countries here. And of our factory, we have 30,000 square meters of our factory. Now you can see this is our new photo for our new factory. And then the new factory will be finished the project in the next year. So the new factory will have the 80,000 square meters. So it will be 3 times larger than the old factory. And then our new factory will be more modern, smarter, and more efficient. And we will have a great capacity. And here you can see this is our certification of our SPRSUN. And I think this certification can satisfy the European or another country requirement, such as the MCS, the ROPS, the CE, the ERP, and the MC, and another certification. And this one is our lab's photo. Before we test our sample and we launch the new product here, we will test so many times to confirm our product is reliable. And this one, it is R290 refrigerant. Because the refrigerant of R290 is more clean, because the GWH is only 3, and then compare with the R32 or another refrigerant, R290 can save more energy, and then it can save 15 to 35%. So this is the reason why our SPRSUN will launch the R290 product, because the R290 product will be the tendency in the future. So I think you can wait to see our new product, right? So let our camera to follow us to see our new product, the AquaHero series. Okay, come on. So this one is our AquaHero series, the R290 domestic hot water heat pump. It is the R290 series. And this one is our 200-liter capacity. So you can see it uses the glass design, the black and white here. And you can see this one is the rear controller here. We use the toughness classics and use the LCD touchscreen here. And then you can see you can change the time, change the mode here, and then it can show function here. And this one is our water tank. The water tank, we use the 200 liters here, and then the material is animal. And also here, this one, we have the props here, so it can easily to move. And this one, This one is the air vent, so it is easy to make the air cross. So this is the design of the heat pump. And later, I will show you the details and the advantages for the heat pump business. So let's begin. Let's begin again our introduction. Okay. So before we introduce the more details of the heat pump business, so I want to ask a question. How many times we use in the heating? So I think you can see this introduction, so you can see the answer here. So totally we have 5 types. The first, we use the gas water heaters, but the gas water heaters is easy to dangerous. It's easy dangerous. So I think it is not a good solution. And another one is electricity water heater. But as you know, the electricity cost is too expensive. So I think so many customers cannot bear the cost. And another is solar water heater. But solar water, just like the sun, right, is easily affected by the environment. Because when the weather is rainy or cloudy, and then the efficient is not good. And another is about the boiler. So, but the boiler will damage the environment, and then the efficient is not good. So this is the reason why we use the heat pump. So this time we use this is our hot water heat pump because it is the more efficient and more clean energy. Okay, this one you can see this is the photo about the occupy of the market situation for the domestic water. As you can see, this one, the gas and electricity is occupying nearly 90% of the market. And then just only less than 10% of another, such as the hot water heat pump, the solar. So you can see we have the great potential in the market of the heat pump. So here you can see this is the water heater development stage. So we have make conclusion for 4 stages. First stage, we just want our product can heat. And then when we come back to the second stage, we hope the heat can more quickly and more safe. And third, we hope it may be more intelligent because we want to set up, we have more function such as the timer, and then we can check the more details. And the future, it is more clean energy. And hope we will have a more efficient product of the domestic hot water heat pump. So now we will show you the more details and advantage of our AquaHero series. And this one you can see our max outlet water temperature is 70 degrees. Here you can see we use the high-end material and we use the fashion design here, black and white. And we use the tempering gases touchscreen and panel. So what is where we can use the hot water heat pump? So here is the option, such as you can use in the kitchen, the bathroom, the toilet, and another one. And then here we make conclusion to 5 advantages for our domestic hot water heat pump. The first is we use the intelligent inverter technology. The second is we use the high quality water tank. The third, we use the micro channel heat. And then we will use the more quickly installation and super thermal installation. So we will share with you one by one. And here you can see for our domestic hot water heat pump, we use the inverter technology. And in the market of our so many products, such as the R290 and other hot water heat pump, they just use the on-off technology. But for our SPRSUN, we use the inverter. And then it can save 10 to 20% compared with the on-off product. And this one is the water tank. So because the water tank is the key of the important component in the domestic hot water heat pump. If we don't have a great water tank, so the life of the domestic hot water heat pump will be too short. So when we choose the water tank, we should confirm the water tank is reliable. So we should confirm it can test so many times, such as the pressure test, the frequency test. So we do the long-term test to confirm the water tank is reliable. And then here it is the microchannel heating. So it is the common situation for the technology in the heat pump. And this one is the installation photo for our hot water heat pump. Because this is the all-in-one. This is only one product. They don't have another outdoor unit or another one. They just only one product. So it is easy to move and installation. And here you can see we have a great preservation for our heating because we use the high-end material to confirm the heat preservation is enough. And here you can see this is the construction of the heat pump. You can see here we can use what is the component here, such as the compressor, the driver board, the water tank. Here you can see what is the component we use in the hot water heat pump. So after we introduce our heat pump advantages, so many customers will care about the warranty or another after service. So how we can do it? For our solution of our SPRSUN, we provide 24 months warranty of the domestic hot water heat pump. Because in the market, the common situation is 12 months here. But for our SPRSUN, we provide 24 months. And this one is the data we compare with another brand. So you can see this is our data. For our SPRSUN domestic hot water heat pump, the energy level can reach 8+. And then our COP can reach 3.42. So compare with another brand hot water heat pump, it will be more efficient and more safe energy here. So before we introduce the green energy series, I hope if you have any question for our domestic hot water heat pump, and then you can contact with our representative. And also, if you have any question of our domestic hot water heat pump, I hope you can share in the chat room, and then my colleague will collect with your question, and then we will answer it in our Q&A part. So now we can introduce my colleague Hedy to introduce the commercial heat pump.
Okay, thank you, Corey. So Hedy is coming back. I believe that after the introduction of my colleague Toby of the new products all-in-one heat pump, I believe that you have already got the basic idea and knowledge of this new product. So now let me to introduce you another new product range, the R290 commercial heat pump. So before introducing you the details, let's to have a look of the outlooking of our commercial models. Let's go. Okay, here you can see there are two appearance of our commercial models. Actually, for our commercial models, there are 3 models totally, but we adopt 2 appearance. For models 25 kilowatt and 30 kilowatt, we adopt the side discharge. Here you can see we have adopted the black wire mesh for the front and also the back. And for the cabinet, we have adopted the sheet metal and the dark gray, so it looks very upscale. And for another bigger models, this one with the heating capacity 50 kilowatts, we have adopted the top discharge air outlet, and we adopt the same color for these models as well. And here you can see that for this model, as it's very big, and the force rate has been up to 400 kilowatts. So here you can see we have added these two handles to make the transportation as well as the maintenance work more easier. Yes, so this is the outlooking of our commercial models. Now let's coming back, and I would like to introduce more details and features of our commercial heat pumps for you. And before that, I would like to raise one question. What features that you think are the most important points for the commercial heat pumps? During the development, we are thinking about 3 points, including working efficiency, durability and quality, and also easy operation as the cascade function. So for the first one, working efficiency. Why would a customer would like to choose the inverter heat pump rather than other products like gas, boilers, air conditioner, and etc.? The main reason is that they want to save the cost. So it will be related to the working efficiency as the COP. So the second point is durability and quality. As we know that for commercial heat pumps, customers will adopt them for the project use. So for a small problem, it might cause the whole winding to be very broken to cause lot of repairing works. So that it will cost lot of cost for customers. So heat pumps with durability and good quality will save lot of cost and also time for the repairing works. So the last but not the least is the easy operation. As we know that for projects, it will be not just only 1 unit, but maybe up to 9, 8 units or 10 units or more. So the heat pumps with cascade function could reach higher operational efficiency. So now let me introduce more features of our commercial heat pumps. The first one, multiple modes for control use, including heating, cooling, and domestic hot water. And second, about the working efficiency. For our commercial heat pumps, it has reached A+++, the highest level. And the third one is the maximum water outlet temperature. Compared to other normal DC inverter heat pump, which could produce maximum hot water 60 degrees, for our commercial heat pumps, it could produce maximum hot water up to 75 degrees. And fourth is that for these commercial models, it can run at ambient temperature -25 degrees. And fifth, for our commercial models, we have adopted the touchscreen controller, while some smart functions are equipped like Wi-Fi function, cascade function, and the S3 ready like smart grid. So here you can see that there are totally 3 models of our commercial models, including 25 kilowatts, 30 kilowatts, and 50 kilowatts. And for these 2 models, the appearance are the same. The main difference is about the components part, including compressor, plate heat exchanger, and evaporator. Okay, here I would like to introduce more about our advantage of our commercial heat pumps, including super efficient, the maximum COP. Second, intelligent inverter technology. Third, smart connections. Fourth, AI defrosting technology. And fifth, high safety performance, and also user-friendly design. So for the first one is about the COP. For our commercial models, the maximum COP could be up to 5.1. That means compared to other heating products, it can save maximum 4 times of the electric cost for our customers. And for these models, the maximum energy label is A+++. That means you can use our testing reports to apply subsidy from your government if there was support from them. And for the commercial models, they are equipped with the liquid storage tank, which is to store the excess refrigerant from the system, so as to improve the running efficiency of the compressor and also to reduce the wear and tear of the compressor. And last point is about the fully intelligent DC inverter technology. For the motor and compressor, they are adjusted based on the anode and also the evaporator pressure, so as to achieve the precise temperature control and also to provide comfortable temperature for heating, cooling, and domestic hot water. The last point is the intelligent connections and monitoring, including cascade functions and also supports real-time control and monitoring of system data by mobile phones and computers of our Wi-Fi app. So the first one is the cascade functions. For one cascade system, we allow maximum units up to 8 units. That means if you have adopted our biggest model, 50 kilowatts in one system of 8 pieces, the maximum heating capacity could be out to 400 kilowatts. And here is our Wi-Fi functions. You can achieve the busy operation and also stable performance, and also realization of man-machine separation. Here we have two versions, including to control your heat pumps through your phone and also by the PC platform. So this is the screen of the phone. And also here you can see the screen of the cloud platform so that you can control and monitor your heat pumps wherever and whenever you are. And here you can see all the heat pumps that you have installed all over the world. And the last point is the AI defrosting. For our heat pumps, the system could be automatically determine whether to enter the defrosting function or not, just based on the ambient temperature and outdoor running data. And here the last point is the high safety performance. For our technical team, they have adjusted the inner structure based on the characteristic of the refrigerant R290, so as to improve the system stability and also more safely. And as a very professional heat pump supplier and also long-term partners, our SPRSUN is not just focused on the heat pump itself. We are also aiming to provide better service and also to provide a complete solution for our customers. So here you can see that we provide first customized commercial heat pump solution. Second, comprehensive service. So here you can see that we have the very standard material to help a customer to choose the right model based on different size and temperature, different working conditions. And as we know that for some projects, the data are very complex. So based on that, our technical team will also choose and provide a complete solution based on the project information. So here you can see that is one of the projects that we are doing for our customers, connecting with the solar panel. Here you can see there are some of the real installation for project use that we cooperated with our customers. And next is about the service part. The first one is training, because we know that for our customers, some of them, they are not they're newly from the heat pump industry. So we think that the training is very important, like the training of the basic ideas, what is heat pumps, and also for the product details, like the product video, the installation, and also other details. And also for the installation part is also very important. And last but not least is about the after sales part. And for SPRSUN, we could also provide online technical support, on-site support, and remote support. And we're not just focused on the technical support, because we have our own marketing team. So our SPRSUN will also provide marketing support that we could provide you, catalog, brochures, product videos. Here you can see there are some of the materials that our marketing team do for our customers. Yeah, so here you can see with the reliable products with good quality and 5-star technical support from our technical team, as well as great support, marketing support from our marketing team. Our SPRSUN are always focused on to provide our customers all-in-one support, so as to help our customer to speed up your business process. Okay, really thanks again for joining our today's slideshow of our new products. It's good to see you today. So let's see you next time. Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.